Hey guys, welcome back to another video. A common question we get often asked is how much money do you need to actually get something started on Amazon? So, there are people that have got small budgets, less than $1,000. There are people who've got much larger budgets, right? Which is, $1,000 plus, $2,000, $5,000, $10,000. A lot of people actually think they need a lot of money to get something started on Amazon, and it just simply is not true. I've had actually 3 students recently get something started on Amazon on less than $1,000. Yes, less than $1,000 they actually got something started on Amazon. Okay, so one lady actually got something started for less than $350. So you don't actually need a lot of money to get something started on Amazon, all right? So if this is you, if you're sort of wondering, in terms of product, I don't know really what to sell on Amazon, maybe you're sort of wondering, how much money do I need to get something started, right? It really kind of depends on your budget, but also depends on the product that you are selling, all right? So give us a call today if you're interested in getting something started on Amazon. We do have a free training online. Have a chat with my team members. Also, if you're looking for advice or if you're looking for guidance and you kind of want to know how we go about working with clients, all right? Have a great day. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.